Hello everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to make a 10-gallon terrarium that represents the late Jurassic of North America. First I started off with a 10-gallon terrarium and a drainage layer that consists of river rock and leca. Then I spread out the leca to make sure no soil gets to the drainage layer. Just in case you're wondering, the total cost of this video was a little under $150. Since I don't have the resources to replicate a swampy, volcanic-rich soil, I just bought a tropical potting soil that has volcanic rock in it. If you want to make your own that represents that type of soil, you would need calcium carbonate, silt, clay, and some ash. I wouldn't recommend this, but if you want, I would also add some oxidized iron. Like Bob Ross, I make sure the soil is all evenly spread. Off camera, I also added a money tree, which is to the left, and a Boston fern, which is to the right, and I added some charcoal. Then I covered that with more potting soil. In addition, I added this decorative Tyrannosaurus skull piece, even though it's supposed to represent an Allosaurus. Then I added some rocks, but those will get readjusted. The rocks made the terrarium look tacky, so I added some wood to try to get rid of its tackiness. Types of mosses I would have used instead of my own backyard moss, but I just had to deal with what I had and what I bought. me, this is an absolute must, but I added some springtails because they get rid of algae, fungus, and mold in your terrarium and help keeps the soil healthy. This is your fair warning for anybody who is scared of insects. Quick warning, at the end of day 30, there's going to be a lot of changes to the terrarium. On day 10, I added a little pine seedling to make it more natural for a tropical late Jurassic terrarium. To give the terrarium a nutrient boost, I added a mixture of water, bone meal, and blood meal, and a little bit of tree fertilizer, just a little bit to not harm any other of the plants. Off camera, I did add some more potting soil to the top. I added 2 more pine seedlings to replace the dying one I added earlier because I think I might have gave it too much fertilizer. Then I added another piece of wood to make it less spacious. From day 20 to day 30, I was gone a little bit. When I came back, I added a new pine tree and some new lighting, which made the terrarium look a world better. And that concludes it for this video. I hope it inspired you and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you all have a good day and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye.